Hi, today we're gonna make the shrimp with white sauce. That's the shrimp we're gonna use. They are like pretty good size shrimp, about one pound. We're gonna marinate them. First, we put some egg whites in it. Then we put some salt in it, little salt, and some white pepper, and you mix them up. And you put little cornstarch in it. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. And we're gonna add a little bit of oil in it. Okay, another thing, we're gonna turn on the heat. Ready to cook. We put a couple tablespoons of oil, any kind of oil. Okay, then we can put it in there. Okay, then we can start turn them over on the other side. And you turn the heat down a little bit to medium, because you don't want to get it too crispy. After they get brown in both sides, so you can start putting the other stuff in. Start putting the garlic in. So you turn the heat down a little bit, because you don't want to burn the garlic. So it's just 1 teaspoon of garlic, chopped up garlic, and 1 teaspoon of chopped up ginger. So you put them on the side. You're kind of browning the gingers and the garlic. And also, you're going to have some chopped up carrot in it. Just a small piece. Alright, then we're going to put 3 tablespoons of cooking cherry. And after that, we're going to put little white pepper in it too. Just sprinkle some white pepper. Then we're going to put some chicken broth in it. You probably put about 2 cups of chicken broth. Okay, then wait until it's boiling. Okay, and now it's after they're boiling, so we're going to start putting some seasoning in it. some salt. Half tablespoon of salt. And 1 tablespoon of sugar. Need some water. Have a cup of water and couple tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay. And we're gonna start putting the sauce in to thicken it. Okay, that's about right, you know. Then we put the green peas in it. And also we're gonna put like one tablespoon of sesame seed oil. Okay. Then we're gonna make some eggs. We're just using the egg white, see? Okay, then you put the egg white in slowly. It's not thick enough. You know, sometimes too runny, or we can put a little bit more cornstarch in it, you know. Just like that. Okay, and that's it. And we're gonna turn it off and the fire, and we're gonna put it up. Okay, that's a shrimp with white sauce.